मोअज़्ज़ज़ ख़वातीनो हज़रात, ये जो बच्ची आपके सामने मौजूद है, इनके वालिद साहब तालीम के हक में नहीं थे। इनकी शादी हो गई और शादी के बाद इनके हस्बैंड ने इन्हें पढ़ाया है। इस बच्ची के साथ साथ इनके हस्बैंड के लिए भी भरपूर क्लैपिंग करें और इनको दाद दें कि हमें माशरे में ऐसे ही शौहरों की ज़रूरत है कि जो
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aisha Ayaz and I am the student of PMS Girls 2. Today I am standing in front of you as an achiever and I have grabbed second position in Peshawar board. I am very much thankful to Almighty Allah who gave me this opportunity that today I am standing in front of you and I am addressing you. After that, my parents who always believe in me and they used to support me at every walk of my life.
My name is Marwa Alam and I am the student of Peshawar Model Girls High School 2 and I am holding first position in Bicycle Peshawar. And first of all, I am very thankful towards Almighty Allah for giving me this great opportunity. It's all possible due to the great efforts and hard work of my respectable teachers, my principal Ambareen Salim, and due to the great support of my parents. Thanks.
My name is Saida Savira Jahan and I am the student of PMS Girls 2. I got first position in board and first of all I am so thankful to Almighty Allah because of His mercy I am here and I have achieved what I want to achieve. And secondly, I want to thank my teachers and my principal because of their effortless and because of their tireless efforts I am here. And I also want to thank my parents because of their support and motivation I am here. That's all.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Sania Faisal. I am the student of Peshawar Model Girls High School 2. I am holding first position by scoring 1176 marks in Bias Peshawar. First of all, I want to thank my Allah, by the grace of whom I am standing here. After Allah, I want to thank all my teachers who supported me and encouraged me throughout the year. I also want to thank my family and our beloved principal, Ma'am Ambareen Salim. Thank you.
ह्यूमैनिटीज ग्रुप में थर्ड पोजीशन हासिल की है कलसूम नाज ने, जो गवर्नमेंट गर्ल हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल नंबर